a young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
County for a missing university detective. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting...
Hey, is that Sunny? Or is that Leland? I can't tell.
Oh,
Oh yeah, they spawned me with Sunny. Let's go. You won't do me dirty like Sunny, Leland, the other one.
Connie!
Hey,
Sonny! What'd you do?
I'm
Wait,
back.
you hear that? Mm-hmm. Turning right around. Crazy. Insane.
Wild.
Yeah, of course, it's Jay. I ain't gonna say it, but go crazy.
You shut the fuck up. You don't know what I'm doing.
I wasn't gonna say nothing! Alright, stop it. Wait, Jay, come here. Come where we at.
No! No! Leave me alone!
What?
There's
We
health over
need
here.
you! Health? No, we need
What
her
do you
picking
mean?
skills.
Oh yeah, I got great picking skills. Alright, where you at, boys?
Shut up. You're white, we get it.
The basement? Oh wait, come back. Like, backtrack. Right. Who's that? Oh, closing the door.
I need the lockpick.
No door.
Hi, baby.
Nothing at all. Wait, Taco, other way. Hey, she's a lost cause, Taco. She's
I knew it.
she's a lost cause. Oh yeah, this way, Taco, this way.
I can't cancel out of it! Yo.
Oh, closing the door.
Hi, baby. In a predicament, fellas? Later!
Oh yeah, she's
What? I can't cancel out of it!
Oh no.
Demi?
That was me, I'm sorry.
Wait, it's on me.
Oh, you gotta put.
Hey!
What happened?
Hey, chickies!
Open it.
Got that bitch open. It's only one, so we're good. Yep, there you go. You go there. I'm gonna give you another pick, probably.
Tico, please.
Which door
Oh
did you
shit!
open, Dre?
Oh shit! Run! Oh!
Wait, why do I hear chainsaw?
He coming, Tacos! Run,
What
Tacos!
door did you
Run!
open?
Oh, you wanna come this door? No, not this door. It's in the it's his lair. Don't come here though. He's here. All right, we're good, Tacos.
Wow, y'all not gonna try and help me?
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You want me to talk to him?
Yeah, talk to him.
What? Take some hits for you? Nah. Oh no, he's upstairs.
Wait, this is a thing? Wait.
No.
Ah!
This is
I
the
didn't even know
thing.
this was a thing. Wait, I'm learning the game.
Hey,
Alright,
hey,
cool.
hey, do you need a health? Do you need a health?
Good.
Hey, man.
You sure? You sure? I can give it to you.
I'm
Thank
good,
you, man.
but I need to get. Do you need health?
Oh God!
There you go, Pat.
Oh, bitch, move out my way.
Please don't close the door in my face.
Dude,
No, no.
what door
yeah.
did Dre open?
Open that, closing that door,
No.
clutching that
That's
bitch.
what I
Shit. Hey, we can't escape this house.
Hey, Jimmy,
Yeah,
it's
really,
this one.
yeah.
It's this one. Hey, yo, follow me.
What are you gonna do now?
See
Are
you
y'all
here?
escape?
Run, people,
yeah,
run!
sure.
He's
Oh,
coming.
sweet moly, he finna break down the door.
Do you need
Oh,
help?
God.
Do you need to be
Don't tell
healed?
Grandpa to
Do you
me.
need to be
Don't tell
healed?
Grandpa to me.
Tacos, you need to be healed?
I'm not doing that for you to come after me and get revenge.
Oh, Tacos, where you at? He right there. Wait. God, move. Oh, I gotta go. Go, Tacos, go. Go out to the door. Tacos, go. Go out to the door. The door. In front of you. You got a kid lock it? Connie. Open the pick lock the door. Connie, pick lock the door.
I gotta pick which door? Where's it at?
The front door.
Where's it at?
Oh, God.
He's got it!
Where is it?
It's in the front hallway.
Gave this girl Connie, bro. She don't even know where the door is.
I don't know where the door is.
Follow me. Okay, no, come back on. Follow me. Wait, come back.
I'm following you.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Do it now. Skill. Yeah, that skill.
I have low stamina. Help!
Hey, you gotta see it through, my boy. The bad guy always dies. Hey, yo, Demi, I got a plan. Yeah, do you have another pick, Connie?
I got a screwdriver.
No, I don't. Give it to me.
Alright.
Give it to me, man.
I can't drop. I don't know
Well,
if I can
never
drop
mind.
it.
My skill's still on down.
Oh no, we can't escape. Look at that shit. We gotta go back. All right, look, Leon. This is the plan, Leon. Bulldoze him now. Go run, Tacos, run! Follow this line, Tacos. Follow this
Screw you,
line.
motherfucker. Rah. Oh, my back.
Oh yeah.
My back. My back. Damn, bro. You gave me some massive back shots.
Hey, Tacos, I can kill you.
Distract Demi. Distract! Oh gosh. Oh, well, we gotta make a run for it. When I say run for it, we run. Hold on. Come on. Come, everybody, run to the exit now! Now! Go! You gotta go. Go! It's... Oh!
Tacos, I'll distract him for you.
I'll distract. I got a plan. Damn, never mind. I lied. Everybody for yourself. No, run, Connie, just run. Fuck him, he's black. He dies anyway. Go.
Tacos, where are you?
Oh, my back.
Oh yeah.
My back. My back. Damn, bro. He gave me some massive back shots. I'm in the basement.
What?
I'm in the basement.
Damn, if you die. If you trip and die. I mean, Jay.
Hey, yo, we friends, right?
I'm sorry, Tacos. I wanted to go back for you.
How do I hit the gritty? Hold on. How do I hit the gritty real quick?
We love tacos.
Man ran right back to the cave. The fuck? The tunnel, the basement.
I'm making my final stand, TK. 1v1 me right now. Come on, I made noise. Come get me, motherfucker. We're doing this shit right here, right now.
Oh, he's gonna fight back.
Yeah, I got it in my
Man, that really is easy to escape from. Thank you for teaching me the ways, TK.
Bring it on! I heard you over here. Bring it on.
I mean, it was one person. It ain't gonna count it. It would have been harder with more people. Well, we in a party though, so he could hear everything what we're doing.
I think there was a lot of health in the basement.
Alright, talk and walk you through this.
I think I was the only one picking
Nah,
him up.
I'll try to fight him, bro.
I'm just saying, what I'm finna say, get another bone. Cause that one swing,
bone
you're
right
dead. You're like one swing, and you're dead. Use your active skill too to hear where he's at. But not yet though. Okay.
No.
Oh, really?
Where are you?
This man think he got some black in him.
He got a concussion from that push.
Nah, bro, it's gonna be that one Jason Voorhees scene where that black man tries to fight him.
And by the way, Tony, you're dying. By the way, you have to leave.
I know. No, I don't even know where the upstairs street is. I'm just walking through this gate.
Yeah, go to the middle. That's the door that's unlocked. Yeah, go inside his lair. Yeah, keep going straight. There you go. Turn your right. Gotcha.
I'm scared, bro.
You wanna fight back? Oh, let him escape for real? To your right. That's the door.
No. That ain't a glowing door, bro.
My man is dying.
Nuh-uh, I ain't dying. I'm living, bro.
Yeah, you are. Look at you.
No,
your
I'm not.
your health is red.
And what about it?
It would have been real sad if you actually closed the door.
Oh no, you're so dumb talking for that. Nah. Man, get his flick for you. What did he hit her right? Wait, tacos. Yo, keep going. Keep going. Yo. Wait. Hold on.
Mean to be.
Wait a second. Oh no.
Man, got tired.
Hold on.
I don't mean.
Wait.
Man, this guy-
Wait.
you better run.
Wait, tacos, wait! Tacos, wait! No, you're dead! No. It's over. It's over. It's over. One hit, you're dead, Tacos. Don't hit, you're dead. Tacos.
Bro, I don't care, bro. That shit was funny, bro. That shit was
This
funny.
man.
I saw the electricity. I got my lick in. I don't, bro. I said I was going out with the fight.
Oh, my eye burned. Oh,
No,
God.
bro. I saw the electricity. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna stop me from escaping. But I'm still run through the animation, bro. That shit was. I saw the electricity. I'm like, I'm gonna see if I can just jump through it. Yeah, there is.
So, Connie, you should stay still, Connie. I'm just saying.
Hey guys, who's that over there?
Huh? Oh, shit.
I'm not scared. I'm
Look.
Don't worry, guys. I know
Look.
this man. He won't do anything.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Are we ready? What's up? Get him. Hey, run. You stupid. Oh. Yeah, he's slow as fuck.
I'm the slowest one.
Crazy.
I told you I'm black. I can put these shit on sports mode.
Not him giving up. Damn. Me personally.
I be that good at juice. I bet that
Hey.
Damn.
Leatherface.
Damn, bro, give me some.
Connie, I know you like the weakest one here. You better back up. Oh yeah, I'm
I
going.
was trying to show you my ass.
And then there was
Is that just a
one.
regular fucking armadillo in the road?